Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, I'm going to show you on how to resolve the Windows update with the error code 0x80240002D that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, followed by with the error message. There were problems installing some updates, but we'll try again later. So the error code 0x80240002D is a common Windows update error that occurs when you are attempting to install Windows updates for Microsoft Office. This error can be caused by a multiple reasons such as services related to Windows updates, corrupted system files, and accumulated cache data. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to enable services related to Windows Update. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And pop up itong run. So dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc. So that is one word, and itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na open mo na tong services, and dito lang sa services local, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung background intelligent transfer service. So once na locate mo na siya, and then select and double click. At dito lang sa kanyang general properties, dito lang sa startup type. So kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung automatic. And next step ay click mo lang dito yung apply, and i-click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, and after dito, ang next keyword na kailangan natin i-locate ay yung cryptographic services. So kailangan natin hanapin dito yung cryptographic services. So once na locate mo na, so same procedure, select and double click. And dito lang sa general properties, select mo lang dito yung automatic, and then click apply, and i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And then after dito sa cryptographic service, ay locate natin yung DCOM server process launcher. Alright? So once na locate mo na siya, so same procedure, select and double click. And dito lang sa general properties, so kailangan naka-automatic siya, and click apply, and i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And then after that, and the next keyword ay yung RPC endpoint mapper. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. Ayan, so once na-locate mo na yung RPC endpoint mapper, so same procedure, select and double click. And dito lang sa general properties, same procedure, startup type, automatic, click apply, and i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And the last keyword na kailangan natin i-locate ay yung Windows update. So scroll down, and select mo lang dito yung Windows update, select and double click. And dito sa general properties, same dito sa startup type, select dito yung automatic, click apply, and i-click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, and after dito sa services, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to click on Start menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings, and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa troubleshoots, under dito sa options, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters, i-click mo lang yan. And under lang dito sa most frequent, ay select mo lang dito yung Windows Update, at dito sa right side, kailangan mo lang itap tong run, so click mo lang yan. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Okay, so troubleshooting has completed, and then close lang natin yan. And the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to perform the SFC and DCIM scan. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to click on Start menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD. And kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and select mo lang dito yung Run as Administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na tong administrator command prompt, and then kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na DCIM space/online space/cleanup-image space slash restore health. So gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na control plus C, and then next step ay paste natin dito. Gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na control plus B and press mo lang yung enter. And deployment, image, and servicings, and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang dito yung command keyword na sfc space slash scan now. So in all small letter lahat, hindi yung slash. Scan now ay that is one word, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Update with the error code 0x802400-2D. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.